After we have assembled a catamaran out of bicycle and some beer kegs, I was inundated with dozens of messages about the danger of beer kegs. People have told me that these kegs are explosive. It's going well. I didn't believe that until you have sent me these videos. As you can see, a little doggo is playing with a keg. What can go wrong? Oh my gosh, it has exploded like a grenade. Maybe this one was a fake. Let's see another one. There's a couple of drunkards have discovered a keg. He's going to cut through and get the rest of beer. Is it opened? I wish this one will not explode. You cut it? Can this small plastic container blow up this hard for real? Let's see about that. First step, we are going to a bar to get these kegs. Hi there. Hello. Do you sell these kegs? Yeah, sure. Give me 3 of these, please. Alright, here you are. $50. That is my change. Kegs. Now we're going far from the city, not to scare anyone. We've got a stuntman this time. Welcome Nafanya, he's back again. We've got a keg right from the shop. It's brand new, we didn't open it or anything else. We also didn't pump it, it has some pressure already. We want to know what's gonna happen if we puncture it a little. Just a little bit. Nafanya has some cola and snacks, and he's gonna open this keg on his own. Good luck, Nafanya. Alright, we've got a stick, just in case, with a sharp tip, and a small burner. We're gonna hit the tip, and then we'll make a small puncture at safe distance. Here we go. Carefully, very carefully. Is it it? Really? Where is the big boom? Well, nothing bad has happened. The pressure is going out of this punctured keg. Well, we've got a feeling like these videos were fake, after all. That is too boring, let's pump up the pressure 10 times, more than usual in these kegs. And see what's gonna happen. This small device was made specially for bypassing the limiting valve of this beer keg and let us get inside more pressure. That's it. To bypass it, we have set a special piece of rubber and tied the valve open. That's really bad and dangerous. Nafanya, smile! To get more pressure inside of keg, we're going to use this CO2 cylinder. It has 10 liters of CO2 inside. We also need a reducer to keep our hoses in one piece. Though we have a black mark on this reducer, and that means it cannot be used here. But we need to increase the pressure. Is safety valve gonna work, or this keg will blow up, or maybe we'll have to help it. Let's see what's gonna happen then. Guys, never try this at home, please. And keep the forest safe. It is 7 already? Guys, the critical point is almost there. It isn't gonna blow up, we have to help it. Ready? I am deafened. Oh my gosh, I can't hear anything. I'm okay, guys, it's alright. Let's see what's left from Nafanya. Bro, how are you doing? Are you okay, Nafanya? He's alive. Nafanya is a true stuntman. See what is left from this keg. What a mess. That was too loud. I have felt the wave within my body. There is something else. The stool has been broken. The explosion was so hard that we've got a broken stool. And that is another part of the keg. See, that used to be the bottom, yeah. If you haven't recognized that, it has turned into a mess. Of course, we will get all the rubbish from here later. We're gonna clean up this place. Nafanya was injured after all. Here's what I found. Nafanya, you were torn to pieces. See, I haven't noticed that before. Here it is. His hand was torn off. He has lost his hand. Oh my gosh. Don't ever do anything like that. If you have found a keg, never try to open it yourself. See, there will be consequences. And don't worry, Nafanya is okay. I would never believe that this plastic thin bottle can blow up like this. That is really dangerous. The pressure inside wasn't that much, after all. It was much less than in high-pressure cylinders. If you ever have to use these kegs, keep in mind that you have to reduce the pressure right after you've bought it, by pressing the button on the cap. If you're going to use them in purpose, follow the keg safety rules. You can find it in the net. Well guys, we have filmed the experiment in the forest, and the main thing about nature is to keep it clean. We have gathered all the trash and gonna take it to the junkyard. Did you enjoy this video format? What do you want us to check next? Write us and we will make it. Kreosan logout. See you guys later.